Okay, this problem says that we have 107 students. So again, that's our total. So 107 go on the bottom, and 43 of those are juniors. Okay, 51 of those are female. So 107 goes on the bottom again. Okay, and we add those together and we get 94 out of 107. So again, if those were mutually exclusive, we would be done. But we have juniors and we have females. Are there any juniors that are females? Yes, there are. So this is not my final answer. Okay, and so I need to subtract out what repeats. So what repeats? My female juniors. So how many are there? There's 27 out of 107. So I need to subtract that out. So 94 minus 27 is 67 out of 107. And again, if that doesn't reduce, then that is my answer. And you guys, you can also be putting these into the calculator to get decimal answers. And to do that, all you would have to do is actually divide them. So if I'm dividing 67 divided by 107, okay, I would get 0.6262. And then I would just multiply that by 100 to get my percentage. So that would be 62.6%. So either of those are acceptable. Just make sure you understand what your answer format is wanting. Okay, up here, 79 divided by 108 is 0.7315 times 100, and you would get 73.2%. Don't forget to round up.